And love to you, my brothers and sisters. I hope you're doing well. Does anyone know when the Lord Jesus Christ is coming back? No. Anyone that tells you that they know that God told them, they are false and they are lying. Listen what St. Matthew chapter 24 and verse 36 says, "But of that day and hour knoweth no man, no, not the angels of heaven, but my Father only." And verse 37 goes as far to say, "But as the days of Noah were, so also, so shall also the coming of the Son of Man be." So in the days of Noah, they were drinking and merrymaking and having fun, giving into sins and things like that. And so it is happening again. The Lord Jesus Christ is coming back suddenly. Have a great day now.